Just like the categories. Any one of them you pick, okay. You are able to understand, right? Yes. So I said okay, done. Assigned it. Custom field. We have already created. We have created. Yeah, and this is how you create a program. You got it. Program is nothing but your schedule-wise training that you have to go through. It can be mandatory. It cannot be mandatory. Got it. Yes. This is the simple part. Then you will go to the external link, you can create it. This is very simple. You already have done it, I think, right? All of them. External link. The last time you showed me is to just click and just copy one link and attach it here. That was what? Okay. Let me show you one of the examples. That was what was. Yeah, you showed me is to just create a link. So one of the example is like, I want to give you a training on SAP, but there are some external links that I can use in order to get trained. Like, let's say, Linda, or maybe you gave me, there are some articles or something. Correct. I said, okay, there is one that is lesson on people and time management from Suunju. Suunju, right? Correct. I click on it. And you see. What does it see? Can you see from the Forbes? It is an article from Forbes, can you see? Yeah, correct. Just copy and paste the link. Yeah. I copy and paste the link, give it the title, description, image, and I save it. Why is it? When I give you a training. In the item you could see the external link. They were asking if you want to attach an external link in item. Means when I'm training you, there are some things that I might need from outside to make you understand. Any example, any article that you should go through, correct? Like when we do case studies. Case studies are never from your company. It's from other companies. Any story that they went through or something like that. So this is just your external link. Whenever you create anything, you just assign that. So what does recommend? Does it show up somewhere? Sorry, which one? No, the recommend button there. You can send. You can send. What does recommend? Yes, if you click recommend. This is very important for this part where you can search for. External link. Oh, okay. Cool. I said, the wizard is to recommend external link and notify you via email. I said you completed SAP training, LMS training. The moment you completed and after that, as in the survey itself or the notification, I say, okay, you have completed it, but you can also go through this article, which is very relevant. Like if we do work on marketing. So Philip Butler books are very popular, right? So there might be some articles or case studies that I would say when you complete it, it is recommended to go and learn this case study. Look at the case study. So if I want to recommend this article to somebody, I can add that employee. Okay, so it may not be. It's just a separate edition, separate one that we can recommend others. And I said, you know the employees. I will pick my employees from. I have already selected it. I will click on Next. And I will do the job. The user does not have an email ID. Of course, this is a demo server. Yeah, you will send them right. Okay, got it. Now you set up the schedule. When should it go? Run this immediately, right now. Yeah, if I finish it automatically, it will be sent right now. But I said no, not on this particular date, on this particular time. Got it. Everything will complete. Contact email address and you're finished. Okay. It will be sent. We have to fill in all the. Yeah, because no email address. Are we clear with program and external links? Yes. Next is your library, here. As I said, library is nothing but just like a physical library. Whatever part of the library you have access to, you can go and read about it. Yeah, no problem. So that we create different libraries. I show you any one of them. Let's say I say a mentor or something. Okay, under this slide I have a lot of things. I have a few items as well. Okay. So these items will by default have this library. And if I show you one more thing. Interesting. Not there. Library is not here. Sorry. We are looking for library. Yeah. No, I don't think library is here. I think we must change the landing page, in order to see. No, and maybe any library is not assigned to this employee. Otherwise, the library will be available to everyone. Oh, okay. Don't worry, we will create and show. I'll show you. That will come to the landing page. I'll check the one that is there. But it will be on the home page. Oh, okay. Click on it and it will show you what all the data are available to you.